In a tragic turn of events, Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi and 7 others lost their lives in a helicopter crash in northwestern Iran. The final report attributes the incident to challenging spring weather and sudden dense fog, with no signs of sabotage detected. The crash occurred in a remote mountainous area, claiming the lives of high-ranking officials, including the foreign minister. Turkish authorities provided drone footage showing a heat signature of the suspected wreckage. Raisi, a hardliner and protege of Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, became the second Iranian president to die in office since 1981.